Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lachelle Trends. So today I'm coming to you with another hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is brought to you by ebonyline.com, and they sent over 7 packs of their Dalva crochet braid deep twist hair in the length of 18 inches and in the color 1B. This is the pack. And again, they sent over 7 packs, but I only used 5 to create this hairstyle that you see. I will leave the details about this hair in the description box below of where you can find it. But before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we're going to start off with a braided ponytail. And in each pack of hair, there will be 24 pieces. We're going to begin at the bottom of the ponytail and just start crocheting the hair through, and we're just going to work our way up. I'm just fluffing out the curls, making it a little bit bigger, adding some volume to the ponytail, and I'm just going to do this until I like how it looks. And then I'm going to take a piece of the section of the hair and just wrap it around to have a seamless ponytail. I hope you like the final look. If so, don't forget to like and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.